Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Microsoft Word for the web and a new feature that's available within Immersive Reader. So we go to Immersive Reader, we go to the Reading Preferences tab by clicking on the book icon in the top right hand corner, and we'll see that there's a new reading coach. So if we turn that on and click Edit, we can choose some settings. So we can choose how sensitive it is. So depending on where the students are within their reading journey, we can choose maybe that it's less sensitive, we can leave it as default, or we can ask it to be more sensitive if they're getting more experienced at reading. We can then choose the voice that we want to provide the feedback. So there's a whole range of different voices, and you can choose which one of those you feel works best. And then you can choose the prompts, whether they're being more supportive or more direct, and again, all depending on the experience of the student and how they best respond. So having set those, you can click Save. We can close that prompt, and then what's going to happen is we're going to start reading. So the student, having set all of that up, you click, and it makes sure that your microphone is all ready. And it's saying read for aloud for 10 minutes. For the purposes of this video, I'll do it much shorter. So we'll click Start Reading. It provides me with a countdown. Welcome to this month's blog post, where I'm going to be suggesting how you can use video as part of your teaching. With sites like TikTok being so popular with students, it seems like a no-brainer to try and incorporate into lessons or a way you make your resources. Thinking back to when I first started teaching, the opportunity to use video as part of my lesson would have been limited to playback, or very occasionally there was the potential to shoot some video. But both required lots of organising. If I needed to show a video, it was a case of going up to the library and booking out a TV and a video trolley if available. If I wanted to shoot some video, that was even more of a challenge. I would have to pop and see my colleagues in the media department and then have it shot. I would then have to book time in an edit suite to have it edited. So I'm going to stop there, and it's going to give me a report on my reading. So my accuracy was a 69%. I was speaking at 145 words per minute, which is probably a bit quick, partly because I'm doing this video. I've only read for a minute, so it's only going to give me a little bit of feedback. But what it does do is it provides me with words to practice. So if I click on the practice words, it's got the video. They're the words it's picked out.
Practice makes progress.
So
select any word to keep growing your skills.
So if I choose the word, it's now going to...
When you're ready, press the microphone and read the word out loud.
It's giving me prompts as we go. I can listen to the word.
Video.
And then I can have a go at reading it myself. Video.
Great reading. You got it.
And I can go through, and again, if I want to, I can listen to the word. And then by clicking on the green microphone, media, I can practice the word. So far it's available on the web version of Word, the web version of OneNote, and various other things. But check out Microsoft's website for an update on exactly which platforms it appears on. But certainly I think it's going to be really useful as a way of helping students who maybe don't speak English as a first language, or who are learning specialist terminology as part of their course. So I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.